Ever wondered what it feels like to work from a beach in Bali or a cafe in Paris? Welcome to the world of digital nomads. This lifestyle, where work and travel blend seamlessly, has been on the rise, thanks to the leaps in technology and the shifts in work culture brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. Picture this: you, your laptop, and an endless horizon of possibilities. The world becomes your office, and every day is a new adventure. No more 9-to-5 grind, just the freedom to explore, create, and live life on your own terms. This is the allure of becoming a digital nomad. But it's not just about the wanderlust, it's also about embracing a new way of working, one that values flexibility, autonomy, and the power of digital connectivity. So are you ready to hop on this global trend? Let's dive deeper. Now that we've introduced you to the concept of a digital nomad lifestyle, let's take a virtual tour of some popular destinations for digital nomads. These countries offer more than just beautiful landscapes. They provide the infrastructure, internet connectivity, and an environment conducive to the digital nomad lifestyle. First stop, Portugal. Known for its friendly expat policies, affordable cost of living, and high-speed internet, Portugal is a digital nomad's paradise. The capital city of Lisbon is home to several co-working spaces and cafes, perfect for setting up your mobile office. What's more, Portugal offers a temporary residence permit specifically for independent workers and entrepreneurs. But Portugal is not the only hotspot. There's also Thailand with its affordable living, tropical beaches, and bustling digital nomad community. Then there's Mexico, with its vibrant culture, delicious cuisine, and cities like Playa del Carmen and Tulum that have become hubs for digital nomads. And let's not forget Bali, a longtime favorite of digital nomads, known for its serene landscapes and a strong expat community. Choosing the right country is a crucial part of your digital nomad journey. Each destination has its unique offerings and challenges. It's important to consider all factors, from visa policies and cost of living to digital infrastructure and lifestyle before making your move. In the next scene, we'll discuss some top tips for aspiring digital nomads to help you prepare for this exciting journey. Now that we've set the stage with some popular digital nomad destinations, let's delve a little deeper into one of these hotspots, Portugal. This southern European country has emerged as a favorite among digital nomads, and for good reason. Portugal is known for its welcoming attitude towards expats and digital nomads. The locals are friendly, English is widely spoken, and the country boasts a vibrant expat community, making it easy for newcomers to settle in and feel at home. Portugal's digital infrastructure is another key factor that attracts digital nomads. The country offers high-speed internet, a crucial requirement for those working remotely. Cities like Lisbon and Porto are dotted with numerous co-working spaces and cafes that provide a conducive environment for digital work. These spaces not only offer a great working environment, but also provide opportunities for networking and socializing with fellow digital nomads. But perhaps one of the most attractive aspects of Portugal for digital nomads is the D7 visa. This is a residence permit specifically designed for independent workers and entrepreneurs. The visa allows you to live in Portugal while working for a foreign company or running your own business online. This makes Portugal one of the few countries that actively encourages and supports the digital nomad lifestyle. With its friendly policies, reliable digital infrastructure, and vibrant culture, Portugal is indeed a digital nomad's paradise. Whether you're a seasoned digital nomad or just starting out on your journey, Portugal offers a fantastic blend of work and play that can make your digital nomad lifestyle a truly enriching experience. In our next segment, we'll share some top tips for aspiring digital nomads to help you kickstart your journey. 4. Other popular digital nomad destinations. Embarking on your digital nomad journey requires more than a backpack and a laptop. Here are some essential tips. Firstly, planning and preparation are crucial. Research the countries you plan to visit, understand their digital infrastructure, cost of living, and visa requirements. Also, put together a rough itinerary and be prepared to adapt as you go. Budgeting is another key aspect. Being a digital nomad isn't always about sipping cocktails on a beach. It requires careful financial planning. Make sure you have a clear idea of your income and expenses. Consider setting aside a contingency fund for unexpected expenses. Next, let's talk about income. Having a reliable source of income is paramount. Freelancing, remote work, or running an online business are popular choices among digital nomads. It's a good idea to have some income streams set up before you hit the road. Now, onto the tools of the trade. Your laptop is your office, so invest in a good one. A smartphone is also essential for staying connected on the go. Consider investing in a portable Wi-Fi device or a local SIM card for reliable internet access. Also, don't forget about software. Communication tools like Slack or Zoom, project management apps like Trello or Asana, and cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox are all digital nomad staples when it comes to networking. The digital nomad community is a vibrant and supportive one. Leverage online communities, co-working spaces, and social media to connect with fellow nomads. You can learn from their experiences, get advice, and even make some lifelong friends. Remember, the key to a successful digital nomad lifestyle lies in preparation and the right tools. It's about more than just travel. It's a lifestyle choice that requires thought, planning, and a good deal of flexibility. But with the right approach, you can make the most of this unique lifestyle and truly live life on your own terms. 5. Top tips for aspiring digital nomads. Ever wondered about the digital nomad visa? Time to delve into its details and advantages that it can offer you. Picture this. You're operating freely from any corner of the globe and not bogged down by regular tourist visa constraints. This is the allure of a digital nomad visa. It's a relatively fresh introduction brought to life by progressive nations to entice remote workers. This particular visa allows you the legal right to work in a foreign land while simultaneously experiencing its culture and lifestyle for an elongated duration. Let's embark on a quick global expedition to spotlight the countries offering these visas. Our first halt, Estonia. This minute Baltic country pioneered the digital nomad visa. You're permitted to stay and work in Estonia for a maximum duration of a year, and also have the liberty to travel within the Schengen area. The application journey is uncomplicated, but don't forget, you must establish that you have a stable income source. Following this, we fly off to the Caribbean to make a pit stop at Barbados. Its welcome stamp visa lets you inhabit and work on the island for up to a year. Picture working with an ocean view. But bear in mind, you must possess health insurance and illustrate you're financially stable to support yourself during your visit. Our final stop is Croatia, a newcomer to the digital nomad visa circle. Here you can reside for up to a year, and the application procedure involves evidence of income, health insurance, and an acceptable travel document. Now on to how to tackle the application process. Doing your groundwork is essential. Investigate each country's prerequisites and assemble your documents in alignment. This may consist of employment proof, tax return documents, or bank statements. Don't overlook health insurance. It's a usual prerequisite these visas. Also, patience is key. The application journey can be time-consuming, and it's vital to plan ahead. Consider seeking the aid of a visa service or immigration lawyer if you need guidance. They can help expedite the process and enhance your likelihood acceptance. Bear in mind, this type of visa is not a universal solution. It's crucial to identify a country that caters to your lifestyle and work preferences. However, with thorough planning and readiness, securing the right visa could unveil a realm of possibilities. 6. Navigating the visa process is an essential part of acclimating to the digital nomad. Being a digital nomad means you're your own boss, setting your own pace and balancing work with travel and leisure. Adopt a routine that fits your lifestyle. This could mean working during the early hours, taking midday breaks to explore the surroundings, and then resuming work in the evening. Remember, adaptability is key. Maximize your time by using productivity tools and apps that can facilitate your tasks. In this new scene, we will focus on understanding and respecting the different cultures you will encounter. As you immerse yourself in various cultures, it's crucial to comprehend and respect the local customs and laws. This requires a bit of preparation before your arrival. Learn a handful of the local language, familiarize yourself with local etiquette, and respect religious and cultural norms. This will not only enhance your stay, but also aid in building good relationships with the locals. Finally, we touch on the complexity of financial management for digital nomads. Digital nomads face intricate issues when it comes to taxes, insurance, and savings. Understand the tax laws of your home country and any country you're residing in. Consider seeking help from a tax professional specializing in digital nomad taxes. Remember, having insurance is vital. Look for an insurance policy specifically designed for digital nomads, covering elements such as medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost belongings. Lastly, savings should not be overlooked. Despite living life on the go, it's crucial to consider your financial future. Embrace these practices, and the path to becoming a successful digital nomad will be a smooth one. 7. Best practices for digital nomads. Safety should never be compromised, even when you're living your dream lifestyle. As a digital nomad, your safety net extends beyond the traditional boundaries. It spans both your physical well-being and the security of your digital world. Let's start with personal safety. Always stay aware of your surroundings. Familiarize yourself with local customs and laws to avoid any inadvertent missteps. Save the contact details of local emergency services and ensure that your family and friends back home have a copy of your itinerary. Don't forget about your cyber safety. With your life and work online, protecting your digital assets is paramount. Use virtual private networks or VPNs to secure your internet connection, especially when using public Wi-Fi. Regularly update your devices and applications to the latest security patches. Two-factor authentication is another layer of security that can prove invaluable for your digital accounts. Health is another aspect that cannot be taken lightly. Before embarking on your journey, consult with a healthcare professional regarding necessary vaccinations based on your travel destinations. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep are the pillars of maintaining good health while on the move. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: health insurance. It's easy to overlook this when you're swept up in the excitement of planning your digital nomad lifestyle. However, having a robust health insurance plan that covers international travel is non-negotiable. Some countries even require proof of health insurance as part of their visa application process. Emergency preparedness is the final piece of the puzzle. It's crucial to have a contingency plan for unexpected situations. This might include having an emergency fund, knowing the location of the nearest embassy or consulate, and having a plan for quick evacuation if necessary. Being a digital nomad doesn't mean leaving your safety behind. It's about adapting your safety measures to a new way of life. Stay safe, stay secure, and enjoy your nomadic journey. 8. Tips for digital nomads. Being a digital nomad is not always a bed of roses. Let's consider both the advantages and disadvantages. Choosing a digital nomad's journey brings numerous perks. Flexibility takes the lead. There is no constraint of location and time. This level of freedom promotes a lifestyle that is not limited to the traditional office-based working hours. You can set up your workstation on a serene beach in Bali or at a bustling cafe in Paris. The whole world transforms into your office. Traveling is another incredible benefit. The digital nomad lifestyle introduces you to different cultures, food, languages, and experiences. It offers you an adventurous way of exploring the planet while still earning your bread and butter. Personal development is also a notable benefit. As you explore different nations and cultures, it contributes to your adaptability and personal growth. You become more self-reliant, hardy, and broad-minded. Lastly, international networking is an added bonus. You come across individuals from diverse backgrounds, global networks, and friendships. However, every situation has its drawbacks. The digital nomad existence not exempt from challenges. Constant traveling can be draining. The process of packing and unpacking, overcoming jet lag, and adjusting to different time zones can negatively impact your health and productivity. Feelings of loneliness may seep in. Being distanced from loved ones and moving from one place to another can lead to a sense of isolation. Maintaining a work-life equilibrium can be problematic. When the world is your office, distinguishing between work and recreation becomes tough. It's essential to set boundaries to prevent exhaustion. Visa restrictions can pose difficulties too. Not every country provides digital nomad visas, and the visa process can be tedious and lengthy. To sum up, the digital nomad lifestyle promises a distinct mix of freedom, travel, and personal development, but it's not without its challenges. It demands the ability to adapt, resilience, and a powerful sense of self-control. Being aware of ups and downs will aid you in making a conscious decision. So, is the nomad lifestyle your cup of tea? 9. Weighing the pros and cons. What a journey it's been. Let's recap what we've learned. We started off by defining what a digital nomad is. These are individuals who leverage technology to work remotely, often from foreign countries, while living a nomadic lifestyle. This way of life has surged in popularity, thanks in part to advances in technology and the global shift towards remote work brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. We then delved into the top tips for aspiring digital nomads. We emphasized the importance of planning and preparation, from budgeting to setting up a reliable source of income. We also covered the essential digital tools, software, and gadgets that aid in remote work. And we touched on the power of networking, using online communities, co-working spaces, and social media to connect with fellow nomads. Next, we navigated the often complex visa process for digital nomads. We highlighted countries offering digital nomad visas like Estonia, Barbados, and Croatia, giving a brief overview of each country's application process, requirements, and benefits. We also shared tips to ensure a smooth visa application process. We then moved on to best practices for digital nomads. We talked about time management, cultural sensitivity, and financial management, emphasizing the need to balance work with travel and leisure, respect local customs and laws, and handle taxes, insurance, and savings effectively. Safety was our next focus. We discussed personal safety tips while traveling and working remotely, cybersecurity measures to protect data and privacy online, and the importance of health insurance and emergency preparedness. We then weighed the pros and cons of the digital nomad lifestyle. The pros include flexibility, the opportunity to travel, personal growth, and global networking. The cons, however, can be challenges of constant travel, loneliness, work-life balance issues, and visa limitations. Remember, the world is your office. Safe travels and happy working. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with loved ones.